In this video, I'm going to be looking at improper fractions and mixed numbers. Improper fractions are when the denominator is smaller than the numerator. So for example, 7 over 5, 6 over 2, 9 over 2, 17 over 16, whatever you want. Wherever the numerator is bigger than the denominator, that's going to be an improper fraction. And a mixed number is where you have a whole number written in large next to a fraction. So that indicates a whole number and a fraction. So 3.5, 5 3/4, 3 5/8. They are examples of mixed numbers. So in this video, we're going to look at how to change between the two, starting with 3.5. What's useful is to have a visual representation. So I'm just going to bring on to the slide a visual representation of 3.5 so that we can, first of all, learn to count how many halves we've got. Okay, there are 2 halves so far, 4 halves, 6 halves, and then we're after 3.5, 3.5. Now count out the halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 halves, or 7 over 2. Okay, another visual representation now for the next one. 5 3/4. So I've divided a circle up into 4 equal parts, or into quarters, and that's going to help me picture how many quarters I've got in 5 3/4. Currently that's 5 on the screen. Okay, that's 6 holes, but let's just shade in the parts that I want. Okay, that's 5 holes so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3/4 would be there, like that. Let's add up how many quarters I've got. I've got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 23. That's 23 over 4. This mixed number, 5 3/4, as an improper fraction, is 23 over 4. Okay, and the last one, 3 5/8. I'm just bringing on a diagram that will help us with the 8ths. So that's 3 holes, and there's the 4th one that I'll need. Okay, shade in the necessary parts. 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can simply count them up now to work out how many I've got in total. 8, 16, 24, and 5 in the last one. That makes 29. So 3 5/8 as an improper fraction is 29 over 8. Okay, now for those of you who like to be shown a quick method and aren't that interested in the visual stuff and you just want to get straight down to it, this is what you need to do. Let me just get rid of the diagrams then. Okay, 3.5. All I'm going to do is multiply the whole number by the denominator, which is 6. Add it to the numerator and write it over the denominator. That's 7 over 2. So I repeat, multiply the denominator and the whole number together, add it to the numerator, and then write the denominator that you had before. Okay, and the last one is 3 times 8, which is 24, plus 5 over 8 which equals 29 over 8. Okay, so it is quicker that way, but I just wanted to show you the visual way first of all to help you picture what's going on. Okay, hope that helps. That's the end of the video about improper fractions and mixed numbers.